Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn how to speak everyday Filipino. Our lesson this time is about question words, words that we use to start our questions with. Question words is mga salita na pangtanong in Filipino. Question is tanong, words is salita or mga salita. We say pangtanong because we use the word for asking questions. Here are the words we commonly use to start our questions with. Who is sino? What? Ano? When? Kailan? Where? Saan? Again, who? Sino? What? Ano? When? Kailan? Where? Saan? Here are some more question words. Why? Bakit? Which? Alin? Whose? Kanino? Again, why? Bakit? Which? Alin? Whose? Kanino? One last question word to learn is the word how. In Filipino, we have different ways to say how depending on context. For example, how about the method or the way to do something is paano. How much is the measure of something is gaano. How much is the cost of something? Magkano. And last, how many is the count of something? Ilan. Again, how about the method is paano. How much is the measure is gaano. How much is the cost? Magkano. And how many is the count is ilan. Before we look at examples using these question words, let us learn some words to help us make the questions. Here are some helper words. This is ito, that, iyan, that when it is further away is iyon. Okay, let us learn asking questions starting with the word who or sino. Who? Sino po? Who is this? Sino po ito? Who is that? About someone nearby is sino po iyan? Who is that? About someone further away is sino po iyon? Now let us learn asking questions starting with what or ano. What? Ano po? What is this? Ano po ito? What is that? Ano po iyan? And last, what is that? About something further away is ano po iyon? Now let us learn asking questions starting with the word when or kailan. When? Kailan po? When is this? Kailan po ito? When is that? Kailan po iyan? When is that? Kailan po iyon? Now let us learn about questions starting with the word where or saan. Where? Saan po? Where is this? Saan po ito? Where is that? Saan po iyan? Or where is that? Saan po iyon? Now let us continue with asking questions starting with the word why or bakit. Why? Bakit po? Why this? Bakit po ito? Why that? Bakit po iyan? Or Why that? Bakit po iyon? Now let us move on to the word which. Alin? Which? Alin po? Which is this? Alin po ito? Which is that? Alin po iyan? Which is that? Alin po iyon? Now let us learn about questions starting with whose. Kanino? Whose? Kanino po? Whose is this? Kanino po ito? Whose is that? Kanino po iyan? Whose is that? Kanino po iyon? So that's it for this lesson about question words. We will talk more about these question words in future lessons and expand how we ask questions using these words. Meanwhile, as your homework, practice using the new words we have learned today. Practice asking questions about things on hand, nearby, and far. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye.
Bye!